welcome to my closet. My name is Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide, and you can get that now on Amazon. It is an approachable guide on how to design a life and a nest that you love. So generally speaking, on Wednesdays, I come into my closet and bring it back to start. And I haven't had to do that for many months because of the 10-piece wardrobe. However, this week, my wardrobe got a little out of control. So as I am cleaning it up, I just want to share something with you and also give you a little bit of homework. So this morning when I woke up, I hit snooze a couple of times, which always feels so amazing in the moment. When I finally woke up to consciousness, my first thought was, what a terrible way to start my day. I caught myself and I said, no, what a great way to start your day. The reason why I changed my thought was because our thoughts create feelings in us and can actually set the tone for the day. And I wanted my day to be fantastic, not terrible. So I changed my thoughts. And I said, no, this is a great way to start the day. Hitting snooze, rolling over, and getting a few extra minutes. Now, I want to take that and ask you, how do you feel? What thoughts do you have when you come into your closet? Are they thoughts like, when am I going to clean my closet? I have nothing to wear. I wish. What are the thoughts that you have when you come into your closet? I know that sometimes our closet can be a source of frustration, a source of angst, a source of judgment or shame. We may see things hanging there that don't fit anymore, things that maybe bring back memories. Lots of thoughts and feelings can come from our closet. So I challenge you to pay attention to your thoughts. And it is such a powerful thing to clean up those thoughts with your closet because it's something you face every day. You have to get dressed every day. So you might as well enjoy it, right? So all of these things are just items that I stashed and dashed. I'm a stasher and a dasher. So that's your homework for today. What are your thoughts when you open your closet? And also, do you have a day set aside to bring your closet back to start, to bring it back to norm, to bring it back to ease and organization? It's just one of those things that you go into every day. So imagine if you never organized your refrigerator and how frustrating that could be. You have to eat every day too, and you might as well enjoy that. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I have to say that since I started the 10-piece wardrobe, I have no mind drama when it comes to getting dressed in the morning. I actually don't even think about it at all. Because I already did the work. I know that everything hanging in here are things that fit, things that I love, and they all match together. So it's just a matter of grabbing, putting on, and leaving. And it's just, there's no mind drama. And just like this morning, just a thought can set the tone for your day. So if you open your closet and you have thoughts that maybe fuel the rest of your day, I just challenge you to clean it up. Clean up your closet, clean up your thoughts. I challenge you to do a 10-piece wardrobe because it is so fantastic. So this is Thursday morning and now you have homework. I'm so sorry. I hope you have a fantastic day and we'll talk soon. Bye.